Mothership, condition of the victim, negative pulse.
Data ka muna, sagot na, no? Understood, victim. O sir, check the condition of the victim. Kagaya ginawa nyo, hey. Sige sir.
Hey! Are you okay? Hey!
Sir, sa
Are
gilid
you
ka,
okay?
sir.
Gilid.
Ayan.
Yan,
Sige, sir,
okay
ha?
na yan.
Okay.
O,
Hey! Are you okay? Hey! Are you okay?
O, victim and responsive.
Victim
Victims and
responsive, sir.
O, healthy chin lift.
Head to chin lift.
Open the airway.
Open the airway.
Checking the airway, sir.
Oh,
airways clear.
Airways clear.
O, ano mo kagad sir? LLF.
LLF. No breathing.
Tapos sabihin mo, victim. Negative breathing.
The victim, sir, is negative breathing.
Negative breathing. 2 initial blows.
Blue.
Pinch the nose. Blow. Yung isang kamay.
Okay, hindi na yun, di ba?
5. Na ano din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue.
Okay. Dalawa na yan. Pangalawa na.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
O,
LLF.
LLF again.
10 seconds.
Check the carotid pulse. 10
1,
seconds.
2, 3, 17, 10. No
10
breathing.
seconds.
10 seconds, sir.
Okay.
Negative pulse,
Sabi mo,
negative
victim,
breath.
negative pulse, negative breathing.
Sir, the victim is negative pulse, negative breathing.
Okay. Bigyan mo. Apply CPR.
CPR.
Okay.
Two hand.
Teka muna,
Check,
sir.
check,
Sagutin
check.
mo muna, sir.
Ito. Yung kanon, pre. Right. Kanon. Gustong kanon mo dito. Ito. Hindi, ganyan o. Ganyan, di ba?
Negative
Ah.
pulse.
Ganyan o,
Negative
pagkita mo.
breathing, unconscious.
Yan, tapos tabi mo.
Teka muna. Apply. Pag sumagot na, ha? Apply CPR. No?
CPR.
Understood. Kasi mahina yung radyo, sir eh. Understood.
Yung malikot.
Understood, apply
Kaya
CPR.
mag-radyo, hindi ka na sinasagot.
Until mothership as soon as possible lang.
Okay. O, sir. Apply CPR.
Applying CPR, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1,
3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Okay. 2
2
blows.
blows. 2 blows.
Blue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blows. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay,
5.
LLF.
LLF. Check the
Check the
1,
carotid
2, 3,
pulse.
Carotid pulse.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bilang ka
10
lang din,
seconds
sir.
na,
O, hindi
sir.
pa nakapag-revive. Ulitin mo uli yung CPR.
Ah, sir.
Sir, gano'n pa uli. Sige na, kapain mo yung ribs niya.
sir.
Banda rin sa tiyan,
Ito bro, yan.
Yan, o, sige, kamay. Teka na, ganun mo lang, huwag mo alisin yan. Yan.
Tapos patong mo yan.
Yun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2.
Blows.
Blow.
Blue, safety ka. Blue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Blue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir,
LLF.
LLF. 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Sabihin mo, sir, victim. Kunya naka-revive na, victim. Positive pulse, positive breathing, but still unconscious.
Okay, sir. The victim, sir, is positive pulse, positive breathing, but still unconscious, sir.
Sir,
Mothership. This is RB victim has positive pulse, positive breathing.
Babae ba to?
But
Babae?
still unconscious.
Okay.
Naupirahan yung didi.
Sumagot na. Oh. Ano sagot?
Ay, wala lang gas, sir. Pag ganyan, nag-record na.
Sumagot. Okay.
Recovery position.
Recovery na. Recovery position.
Sagot niya, no? Pwede ito sagot mo. Copy on that. Proceeding.
Copy on that. Proceeding to mothership now.
Sir, ano mo? Recovery position.
Sir, recovery position.